Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Hope you're doing good. So I just want to go ahead and give you an update. I contacted Car Accident Helpline, and they do what's called intake, and they screen you to see if you would, wow, look at that. Glasses are making a, good grief, Charlie Brown. Anyway, they're making an indent in my nose. Anyway, so they do an intake on you to see if you qualify to meet with one of their attorneys in reference to this accident. I did that the other day, and then I talked to them yesterday. They did all the initial questions and what have you, and then I talked to the lawyer today. She called me today. She's on it. She is on it. She's already got the information regarding the police, statement or whatever, the notes, the police notes. She's already contacted the insurance company, my insurance company, and all of that. And she's on it. She's freaking on it. She's not playing around. And her assistant is going to call me later in the week and introduce himself over the phone. And they had me download an app, which is cool because you can use that app to see what's going on with your case as it's going along. You can actually watch the progression. So they send you to their doctors, and pretty much we'll see how it goes. I don't know. I meant to ask about adjustments, estimates for the body shops. I meant to ask about that, but I'm so tired. So, yeah, that's what's going on. So you can, like I said, you can literally watch the case as it goes. God, my nose. What the hell? Dang, that ain't good. So, anyway, that's what's going on. I'm exhausted. My friend's vehicle went down, and I've been the sole vehicle. And it's just not been fun. It's just not. But he's working on getting a vehicle. It's in the works. He should probably pick it up today, I think. Yeah. So, anyway. I am really tired. Can you tell? I'm exhausted. Been running with him everywhere, and it's just really getting old. Please get that other car because you're driving me nuts. Anyway, so you guys tired. You guys take care, and I hope everybody's doing good. I'm still sore. My neck and back are still sore. I forgot to take pain meds today because I'm a genius. Yeah, so that's it. Most interesting thing so far. I got a lawyer right away. I mean, wow. The other guy's trying to contact me, and I don't know why. The other victim of the accident, he's got full coverage, so I'm not really sure what he's contacting me for. He's got full coverage. He's good. I have UIM. The intake lady asked me to ask my insurance, do you have UIM on your policy? It's an add-on, and UIM is uninsured motorist, so that should cover the damages to my vehicle, a UIM. So I learned something new, and I'm not, y'all know I'm not a greedy person. I don't need tons and tons and tons of money. I just need my car fixed. That's all I care about, is getting the repairs done. That's all I care about. I mean, obviously, if there's something left over, I'm not going to say, no, I don't want that. Obviously, I'm not going to do that. But my main concern is getting reverse what she did. Ugh. Never, ever, ever focus on something other than driving when you're driving. Even if your vehicle's on fire, all the more reason why you need to focus. So you can find some place to pull over, put your hazards on, and get the hell out of the vehicle. Actually, you don't need your hazards. If somebody sees your car's on fire, they're going to avoid. There's nothing on your cell phone that is... She doesn't have kids. There's nothing on your cell phone that is so pressing that you have to address it now while you are driving. Nothing on that goddamn phone is that important. And if somebody's having a serious issue, they're calling the wrong person. They need to call 911 and call you afterwards. All this property damage, all this could have been avoided if somebody had not been being stupid. Just keeping it real. So, anyways, I'm going to go and y'all be good, and I'll talk to you fine folks later. Bye.